Well, hello guys and welcome back to another video. It's Tall Rider here, and today I will be answering a question of should you get an Oldtimer, and I will also show you what is waiting for you if you buy one. So stay tuned. Now let's firstly quickly answer the question of should you get an Oldtimer bike. It doesn't matter if it's one like this 50cc engine or if it's a 300cc engine, it really doesn't matter. And I think that the answer to that question is mostly yes. So yeah, I would say if you're a car person, if you're a bike person, I would say that you would really appreciate an Oldtimer bike. The first reason is because it's very analog-like. It doesn't have nothing digital on it. At least most of the old bikes don't have anything digital on them. The second reason would be a styling. Now, in my opinion, yes, I'm a sucker for old-timers, but I would say that even a car guy or a guy who does like motorcycles in general would appreciate an old-timer bike because of its styling, and it's pretty unique. I mean, if you look at this 50cc Thomas, it really kind of brings you back into the era. It really brings you back into the 80s. But there are some drawbacks of owning an old bike, and I mean, there are drawbacks if you don't enjoy them. I will explain in a second. So if you go here on this side, you obviously see here it's some leaking of the exhaust system. Sometimes if the carbs, or in this case just one carb, is getting too full, here it will kind of leak out, but that is of course normal for all of the carbs, and sometimes it just doesn't run. Now, if you don't like fixing stuff, if you don't like the character of the bike, the old bikes aren't for you. They are full of character. You know, sometimes you will just have to grab a cloth and clean this shit up, you know. Sometimes you will kind of need to replace a wire, whether it be a gas wire, whether it be the clutch lever wire. You will need to fix stuff all the time. Now, sometimes you will need to change the spark plug, but like I said, these aren't a huge fixes. You need to replace an oil sometimes, you know, but this is kind of a basic maintenance for me. Now, the third reason that you may not want to buy an Oldtimer is that you will probably have to restore it yourself, or at least pay somebody to do it, because an Oldtimers in today's kind of generation, in today's years, are not very kind of preserved, because the Oldtimers had its prime way back. Today are not as preserved, and that means that you will need to pay up and get a preserved or restored one, or you will need to pay a little bit less and restore it yourself. So that is kind of the two things that you will have to design here. Another reason here is if you like being very safe on the bike and you really want to feel that kind of that you are safe, the Oldtimers just aren't for you. Why is that, you may ask? Because, well, if we pull here on this front brake, we don't have much stopping power. If we push here on the rear brake, we as well don't have a lot of stopping power. Now, the second reason again would be that you don't have ABS, and I know it's obvious that Oldtimers, at least most of them, don't have ABS, and this one doesn't. But you know, for me, this makes driving this fun. For me, this is what makes driving this 50cc more fun than driving a 600cc modern. So, because the modern bike has so much electronics, has so much safety features built around it, and it's absolutely cool, and it's absolutely necessary in my opinion as well, but you know, this is what makes a Oldtimer such a unique bike, and this is what makes owning it at such a unique experience as well. So To answer you guys this question, should you get it, should you not get it, I would say look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. If you don't like anything digital, if you like to connect with your bike, I would say go for it. It's worth the risk. The sound is unique as well, so I would say go for it. For those who really like those safety features that modern bikes have and who doesn't really like the styling of this bike, I would say maybe stick to modern bikes. It's absolutely fine. But yeah guys, today is a very quick video. I just wanted to answer this kind of question of should you get an Oldtimer or not. If I missed any of the points, please comment down below, like the video, share it, subscribe it, and please enjoy, and I will see you in another one. Bye guys.